If you're selling online and you want to improve your conversion rate, you first need to understand who your competitors are. And they're often not who you think. You're not just competing with other legitimate businesses selling similar products. You're also competing with dodgy advertisers using misleading product photos or even AI-generated images, fake reviews, dropship products that don't match the ad, and stores that sometimes don't even deliver anything at all. Your customers seen those stores too, so when they land on your website, they're already looking for reasons not to trust you. But here's what you can do about it. Make the website match the product. If you're selling something premium, the site needs to support that price. But if you're competing on value, simple is fine. But it still needs to work properly and load quickly and look deliberate. So no spelling errors. You need to put the effort in. Show the real product. Rather than using the manufacturer's photography, take your own where possible. Show multiple angles. Add video if it helps explain the product. Then give people the information they actually need. Dimensions, materials, sizing, specs, compatibility, what's included, all of that stuff. Make your policies easy to find. Clearly explain shipping costs, delivery times, returns, refunds and warranties, then link to that information from your product page and your checkout. Don't make customers look for it. Make your business easy to verify. Put a real phone number, support email, and contact page on the site. Add an about page with real information about the business, photos of your team or office and operations. Even if you're small, people find that transparency endearing. Keep your Google business profile up to date so customers can verify you independently, which means collect reviews properly. Set up Google reviews or Trustpilot and automate an email a few days after delivery with a direct link to leave a review. Ask nicely and make it a one-click process. Hopefully this gives you some practical things that you can do today to improve your store. If you need help with your e-commerce website, conversion optimization, or digital strategy, reach out or visit us at oinkdigital.com.au.